to my channel. It's your favorite girl Noni. If you're new here, welcome guys. I need you to click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification. It's always fun, entertaining and educative here. Okay guys, if you're old and you've already subscribed, thank you. You know my heart beats for you, right? Now for the people that are always watching my video and they don't want to subscribe, why now? Please go and subscribe. Be cool. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's topic is a very juicy one. Today I'm going to be talking about 7 glow booster tips to blind your enemies. Guys, I know everybody wants to glow. Everybody wants to have this glow that radiates from the inside. You want to blind your enemies, whether enemies or friends or anyone, but everybody loves compliments. We all want to look beautiful, look radiating, look happy and all of that. If you're interested in this kind of video, I don't know why birds are flying around my window. Guys, if you're interested in this kind of video, please stay tuned. Okay guys, let's get into the main video. So I have 7 steps. I've written out 7 good steps that we are going to follow to maintain this glow that I'm talking about. Okay, so step number 1, be patient with yourself. Guys, this can never be overemphasized. Stop competing, stop dragging yourself too much. This life is turn by turn. Like, just understand that everything will finally work in for good for you. You don't necessarily need to be beating up yourself. If you've made a mistake, you've made your mistake. Just move on. Learn to forgive yourself and move on. You can't be too hard on yourself. When you're hard on yourself, what do you not expect from people around you? What do you expect people around you to do to you? Do you understand? So please, let's learn to be patient with ourselves. Let's learn to be endure things from yourself too, and at the same time learn to improve on yourself. Not like you will just say, oh, I want to be patient with myself, so because of that I don't have to work on anything. I just have to keep being the way I have to be repeating the same thing I'm repeating and you expect different results. No, that's not what I'm saying. Learn to work on yourself and at the same time be patient on yourself. If you know you're a very fast learner, that's fine and good. If you know you're not a very fast learner, can you please be sincere to yourself and learn how to improve yourself? Don't be beating up yourself. Don't be angry and be competing with people around you. You do not know their stories. Honestly, you do not know what happens behind. So don't kill yourself. Don't stress yourself so much. Learn to work on yourself. Learn to be patient and enduring. Okay? Now, step number 2 is love yourself. These 2 things are actually very close. 1 and 2, they are really close, but there's a little difference. When you love yourself, you will learn to put yourself first. You will learn to know if this thing is important to you before you say yes. It's not everything that you will say yes for. I'm not giving you bad advice, but this is the best thing for you, honestly. You learn to say no when need be. Learn to put yourself first. You cannot be doing something for people and after then when you go inside the house, you start crying and feeling bad that you did that thing. Me, I've outgrown that phase of my life. I'm no longer in that phase where I'll be doing things to please people. Then at the end of it all, I'll be feeling bad. Guys, even in my business, if I will not be happy to do certain things for you, I will put my charge very high because I know I love money and money will make me happy. Guys, if you can pay me for that thing, then no problem, I will do it happily. But if I know that the charge is too low and I will kill myself and cry after that time, you have to pay me very well. If not, I ain't doing it. So guys, yeah, that is just it. Learn to love yourself. Learn to put yourself first. When I say love yourself, it's not about material things alone. Learn to be able to care for yourself. What about your health? If you love yourself, there are certain things you will not be doing. If you love yourself, there are certain things you will not indulge in. If you love yourself, honestly, you will learn to put yourself first. You will learn to put yourself first before those bad habits. You will learn to put yourself first before the bad things that you do. Do you get? So when you love yourself, you'll be able to express love to other people. You'll be able to give out love. But if you don't love yourself, can you give out what you don't have? No, you can't. So please, let's learn to love ourselves, okay? So step number 3, your circle matters. When I say your circle could be your friends, it could be your family, it could be people around you. See, with the people you associate yourself with, they matter. They matter a lot. If you're surrounded by people that are supportive, people that has good vibes, good energy, positive people, guys, it will show on you. It will radiate on you. But when you have people that are always negative, they find every negative thing in everything around them. Once you come up with an idea, maybe you tell them, oh, what do you think? I think I want to do this kind of business, or this is what I'm thinking of. They'll be like, are you sure this one work? It's not this one that this woman did and it failed. It's not like they're just full of bad vibes and bad energy. Guys, learn to shift yourself from them. I do not say you should cut them away completely because they could be family, but you give them long rope. Do you understand? Learn to be strong. Guide yourself. Guide your heart with all diligence. It's even in the Bible. Guide your heart with all diligence. Learn to hold yourself. Be strong so you can be able to withstand those kind of negative circles around you. If you know you have people that they are always... I personally cannot deal with friends or people that are like they are not the people that are too scared. If you're too scared of, I love challenges a lot. I love challenges. See, I am the kind of person that can put in everything. Like I can put in everything because I know that I'm seeing one small light down the tunnel. Do you get? So if I have people around me, if I have friends around me that are always telling me, oh, Nani, do you think you should do this? Your money will go. Don't do this. Don't do that. Guys, I wouldn't have been where I am right now by the grace of God, though. Of course. So guys, what I'm trying to say is learn to have people that will be able to push you. People that even if they're not seeing that light, they'll be like, okay, since you're seeing this light and you feel like you're sure of it, oh yeah, go now. If anything happens, I'm here. You understand? I can always show touch for you or something. Those are the kind of people, not like we are looking for people that will necessarily give you, or spoon feed you, or give you everything you want on your palm. No, there's not what we are looking for, but we are looking for people at least that will not give you negative vibe, that will not discourage you and tell you, oh, don't do it, do like this. But please be careful. I'm not saying that when you want to do bad thing, you should look for people that will support you. That's not what I'm saying, okay? So now the next one is ask for help when need be. See, you see this thing is one problem that we women have a lot. We feel like, I want to be a strong woman. I want to be an independent woman. I want to be strong. Do you understand? They carry suffer head, they claim. Like you cannot say, I'm a strong woman because of that. I want to kill myself. I want to be Jackie. I want to be jack of all trades. You will come back from work after stress. You will go to the market. You will now cook. You will do the cleaning. You will do washing. You will do this just because you want to answer Proverb 31 woman, industrious woman. Clap for yourself. Before you know, you will wear out. You will start falling sick. Your mental health will not be stable. Before you will know, God forbid, you will not die. But what I'm saying is, learn to ask for help. Learn to ask for help when need be. If you know you are tired, ask for help. You don't even need to be tired before you ask for help. You have to be happy for it to be able to glow. You have to be happy for you to radiate happiness around you. You have to be happy for you to be able to give out happiness. Do you understand? You can't give out what you don't have. So if you know you need help, ask for help. Stress not be title. They need a give title for stress. See, this topic has made me speak Igbo and Pidgin. Hey, you should know that this particular one is very strong. You see, stress is not what you will use to make mouth. You cannot say, I want to be an independent woman. I want to be a strong woman. So you will not ask for help when you be. It could be financial help. It could be physical help. It could be help for chores. It could be any kind of intellectual help. Whatever kind of help it is you want, ask. If you know you need to see a coach, you need to see a business person, you need to see an expertise for something to help you clear something, ask for help. If you know you need to get housemaid or errand people or whatever it is, ask for help. If you know you need to speak to your spouse, you need to speak to your partner for certain things, ask for help. Don't say you want to carry everything on your head. You want to be a strong man. You want to be a strong woman. You will not die young, God forbid. Because you want to be a strong person. Guess what? When you die, when you live, life moves on. So please, learn to ask for help. Help is very, 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 very important. Next one is be intentionally happy. Guys, this can never be overemphasized enough. Be intentionally happy. Don't allow the problems you're going through wear you down. Don't allow them be the thing that will start your day and end your day. Some of us, if you allow, say, once you wake up in the morning, as you're on the bed there, even me, if I need to take this advice, let me be honest. As you wake up on the bed there, as you're lying on the bed, the first thing you think of is, hey, I need to pay for this one. No, I need to do this one. I need to do that one. I need to pay salary. I need to pay rent. I need to buy this. I need to fix the car. And before you know, your mood will just change. Small thing that you will see or happen that you see happen will just change your mood. You will just start having mood swing every now and then. Every small thing that happens will just piss you off. Every small thing that happens will irritate you. Before you know, you will just start crying. Some of us will even, hey God, please let us be intentionally happy. Make conscious effort to be happy. If music makes you happy, play music. If strolling makes you happy, stroll and hang out. If whatever it is, if it is food that makes you happy, eat. Be mindful of victory. Anything that makes you happy, just do it. As far as you know, it is not at the detriment of someone else's happiness or life. Do you understand? We have to make conscious effort to look happy. See, when you look happy, you take care of yourself. You love yourself. You're patient with yourself. You ask for help. You relieve yourself from stress. Guys, you are gonna glow. Like you will glow. Do you understand? Now, the next one is pay quality attention to your hygiene. Hey, Chimo, some of us, our hygiene is zero. Or zero. You don't even have any self-care routine. Ask them. When was the last time you went to wash your hair or make your hair or like look good, go to the salon? They say, I used to weave it by myself. Yes, we understand that sometimes you could be broke, you don't have money, but if you want to do it, you can do it. Sometimes when I say self-care, I don't necessarily mean that you should spend money. I'm not saying you should go to a beauty spa, you should go to one lounge, or I'm not saying you should do all of that every time. But guys, when you make conscious effort to take care of your hygiene, your personal hygiene, trim your hair, wash your hair, have a clean environment, go and do DIY of how to make candle, put scented candle in your house, close down your windows sometimes, put slow music, lie down. If you don't have jacuzzi, you don't have bathtub, pour water on your body, remove your clothes, don't wear clothes, blow on fan, lie down, keep wine by your side. If you don't have wine, you keep zobo, anything that you have around, just look fine. Make conscious effort to love yourself. Do you understand? Like, love yourself, look beautiful for yourself. This will bring me to my next topic, my next point, sorry. But this self-care thing, do your nails. If you don't have money for nail polish, for gel nail polish and all that, get one of the cheap one. Like, do cheap things. Do you get? Sorry, I'm speaking Igbo a lot in this topic. That's to show you how strong this thing is in my heart. See, if you make conscious effort to look more beautiful, make conscious effort to look radiating. When you look beautiful, when you love yourself, you will understand that this thing called life is sweet finally. Okay, now the last topic, why am I always saying topic? The last point is pay attention to your physical appearance. Don't say because you are thinking of money, you are thinking of this, you cannot brush your hair. Even if it's 1 week that you have, brush it sometimes you carry your natural hair. I'm going to drop a video, maybe I'll make a video talking about how to look good and why saving money or something. I think I should create that content. Guys, you need to look good. Don't say because I don't have money, that's why you wear rumpled clothes. If you don't have money, because you want to thrift, go and buy thrift. If you don't have money to look good, buy cheaper one. They're affordable. There are things you can get at affordable for less. Please, let's just pay attention to our physical appearance. Don't go and wear green handbag, purple shoe, turquoise blue gown, blue hair, all in the name of looking peng. In your mind, you're looking fine like that. If you see people dressing like that on a normal day, will you be happy? See, guys, let's make conscious effort to appear clean, appear nice. How you dress is how you be approached somehow. Do you get? So please, let's try to look good. Don't let your problems show all over you. Don't let people see you and know that this woman, something they worry her. Sometimes when you even look like that, when people cannot even approach you to even help you. So please, let's make conscious effort to look cleaner and finer, okay? Don't go and say, because I have problem, I will not rub cream. Your skin will be looking ashy. Your hair is smelling fish. Your handbag is smelling, I don't know. Sometimes you even forget to get something inside your handbag. Your shoe is smelling. Everything about it is just tacky and unclean. It's not nice. So let's try to look clean. When we look clean, we'll be able to attract positivity. We'll be able to attract goodwill. We'll be able to attract luck and I don't know, positive things generally, okay? So guys, if you love this kind of content, you want me to be dropping this kind of content more, please say it in the comment section. Let me know the particular tip that you can relate with very well. Let me know which one you like. Let me know what you think about. I also want to learn. So if you have more tips, please drop them in the comment section. I also want to learn. I want to improve my radiance. I want to glow. I want something that's gonna boost my glow. So I'm gonna blind my enemies and my friends, okay? So guys, please drop whatever it is you think about this video in the comment section. Also, if you have other ideas that you want me to drop, please let me know. Drop in the comment section. I really want to create what you will enjoy. I want to create what you will love, okay? Guys, have you also subscribed? You have not subscribed and you have watched this video reach here. Is it nice? Ngwa, pause it. Go and subscribe. As you're subscribing, you see that bell, press it. That one is a notification bell. It will tell you when I've dropped something, okay? After watching, comment. In fact, don't finish. Go and comment. Say something about it and come back to finish it. Like, share, subscribe. Biko no. Biko, I know you love me. Me, I love you too. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you guys. So see you in my next video. If you've not watched my other videos, please go and support your girl. Watch my videos, please. Thank you.